Oh man.
You gotta be kidding.
What?
You gotta be kidding,
You know
man.
how many times we all walked over that? All right, I know you're here watching some content with Ryan and trying to look for some cool relics, but I brought a Henry rifle. So maybe if we find some of those Henry cartridges, we can put it in this rifle, right? It doesn't work like that, guys. But we're still gonna have a fun range day with this Henry. So let's go find some relics and then let's go shoot this.
What in the world? Oh, I hit something hard there. What is that? There we go. Look at there. Check that out. That's an old horseshoe right there. That's a big one too. You see where it's worn down right there? That's a nice horseshoe. All right, we got kind of a mid-tone here, 57, 58. It's probably nothing, but we're gonna dig it anyway because it is so quiet out here this morning. There's not much going on. Oh, wow. Okay. Guys, this is the first button to come out of here. This is an eagle button. This is a little Civil War era cuff button. The shank is still on it. It's cracked along the edge there in the front, and it's dented in. But yes, that makes me happy right there, guys. That's what we're out here looking for.
Looks like a modern button.
Yeah, so that's actually that is a Civil War soldier's underwear button.
Yeah.
Not necessarily the bottom part of his underwear, but he also wore the top part with a shirt.
Okay.
And it could have been for the collar.
All right.
It could have been for the bottom part. It's made of iron. So.
Yeah, it's really rusty. And at first I thought it was more of a modern button that just been lost to time from some construction worker or some hunter.
Yeah.
But yeah. How do you know that it's actually Civil War dated?
Just because we find those in the camps. We find a
okay.
lot of those in the camps actually. So.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
I'll clean it up.
And because it's iron.
Yeah.
So.
True.
Good find, man.
All
nice
right.
save.
Yeah.
Well, Tommy finally got something this morning. He's got a 3-ringer. Yep, that has been pulled, and it's pulled from the barrel. And you see the flat on the top there. It's been shoved down so hard into the barrel with the ramrod, it left a mark on the top, so it kind of pressed it in. That's a good find, man.
Oh yeah, I'm about to head to the truck and go home. It looks like a ring, but I'm not sure. We can find out here shortly.
Okay. Pull it out of the ground. Oh man.
You gotta be kidding.
What?
You gotta be kidding,
You know how many
man.
times we all walked over that?
I know, I probably walked right over it.
Yeah.
It may not be real, but it's a ring.
Oh, I don't know. It looks pretty real.
Man, that's awesome. Is there a stone in there?
There might be some kind of inscription on there.
Well, stone missing out of it, looks like.
Huh. Wow.
Wow.
That's really cool. That's definitely gold plated.
Yeah, at
If
least
it's not
gold
gold.
plated. Man.
There's something right there.
Yeah. A date, a name, a hallmark.
It wasn't that deep either, was it? About
Nah,
what,
it was
6 inches?
10-pointer dip, maybe.
Wow.
I knew we all walked over this thing.
There's something written in there, but I can't really tell what it is.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe we'll figure out what a date is and we'll come back to it in another video.
Tommy's on a hot streak. He was getting ready to go home, and then he found a 3-ringer, and now he's got a gold ring. I just walked all the way. You see Jerry way up on top of the hill. I walked all the way back from behind him and came down. I usually won't come down for something
Hate to make you walk so
that far. But he said gold, so I said, all right, I'm heading that way.
Yeah.
Well, Jerry's on the board. Just got a Colt. Oh yeah, that is a Colt pistol bullet. The ones I found out here, I think I figured out were Colt rifles.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's a Colt pistol. That's a very nice find. It's brass. I don't know what that is.
Hey, Ryan, I got a really good find over here.
What you got?
You know how you've been finding all those Henry cartridges?
Yeah.
Well, I finally found the Henry that goes to all those Henry cartridges. Let's go fire it. All right.
Dead by now. Got me again. Very accurate.
Yeah, I had fun yesterday shooting and plinking with that one too.
Nice.